see me, you better run.
He said he's coming, but he never mentioned about the boat. What the hell is happening, bro? What's up, guys? It's 3:55 a.m. in the morning, and I'm all set to go to Bangalore. My friend is on the way. I'm gonna go pick him up. It's already getting late. I thought of taking so many cinematic shots, but it's not possible because there is no time. Let's get going. Let's get into the car. Oh damn, too much fog on the car, bro. Let's warm this up a little. See, this one is not swiping. Oh boy, I literally... Oh damn, that was a scary sound in the night, bro. It's 3:50 in the morning and I'm all set and excited, bro. Yep, so I'm gonna turn everything to 0. Average speed into 0. Trip meters to 0. What the hell, bro? Do you think this fits over here? I hope this fits, man. I have to fit it somehow. Oh, bro. So finally we are out. I'm going to bus stand to pick up my friend. So anyway, the speed meter is not working, so I'm gonna cover it with my GoPro pouch. I'm covering it because I hate to see something not working in my car, so let's just cover it with something and think it's working. Oh, docks. Cold start diesel sound. Ha ha ha, eargasm. Listen to the sound, man. Listen to the engine noise. I can listen to this all day long, but we don't have time, bro. We gotta go little fast, bro.
ఇంకో ఎంట్రీ ఇంకా బాగుంటాయి.
ఏమైందిరా? బాగుందా రోడ్డు?
బస్సు కాసేపు గాల్లో ఉంది, కాసేపు కింద ఉంది.
So we are going to fuel station right now and I'm running very low on fuel. Welcome to Contractors Bharat Fuel Station. 2500 అన్న. Just got done with the fuel and we are... How far is Bangalore from my location?
It looks like Bengaluru is about 411 kilometers away by car.
Okay, so I think it's gonna take 8 hours to reach over there. And Sajid is here. So I got about 2500 rupees diesel and the fuel range shows 570 kilometers. The roads are going to be like this. No speed breakers, nothing. And if you are wondering whom I'm traveling with, friend Sajid, and we are friends since 4 years, I guess. We studied in same college. We both are game developers. I am a basic game designer and Sajid is a pro level game developer. So Sajid drives XUV 300 and Continental GT 650. Bangalore left and Hyderabad right. So this turn is going to be amazing, guys. Have fun.
నా బ్లడ్ అంతా రైట్ సైడ్ వచ్చేసింది.
So it's 6 a.m. in the morning. The sun is rising and we did about 100 kilometers from my hometown. The roads are pretty nice and I'm getting 17.9 kilometer per liter average, and it's continuously going up, so that's a good thing. So our actual destination is, but we are stopping in Bangalore for 2 days, and the reason is we are going to chill there obviously. The second reason is my friend owns a cruise. He owns a automatic cruise which is stage 2 tune plus complete exhaust change, so I'm going to have a small run with that car. Also I will see if I'm going to tune my car or no. I think he's already facing so many problems. Let's see. I don't know what speed I'm going on right now, but I feel like I'm going at 140 or 150. I think after 4 months I'm going to Bangalore. Last time when I went to Bangalore was in my EcoSport, and this is the first time I'm taking cruise to Bangalore. Last time when I was going, it was raining like anything, and my bad luck was one of my EcoSport headlight stopped working. I was following a Fortuner for like 200 kilometers and it was raining like anything that day night. That was a scary drive, man.
Hey, serious ga?
So I don't think we'll be needing these lights now. Outside temperature is 20 degrees and inside temperature is 20.5. Is still 290 kilometers away and we are almost reaching Anantapur now. Oh, what the hell is wrong with this guy, bro? What do you think he's carrying? I think it's full of plastic bottles. Is it even legal? The roads are amazing and I'm enjoying these corners in the sedan as always. అరే 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 ఏంద్రా ఇది, ఒకటి రైట్ లో ఒకటి లెఫ్ట్ లో. ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం లారీ డ్రైవర్ ఈజ్ యూజింగ్ ఇండికేటర్స్. ద స్కై is clear. I hope there are going to be no rains. I love driving in the rains, but the problem is your car gets dirty and there is nobody in Bangalore to clean my car, and these people charge 700 rupees literally just for washing my car. So that's way too much. Another toll gate. I think this is toll gate number 3. We did about 250 kilometers, I guess. We are close to Anantapur and see no cars though, but there is a lot of truck traffic on the way, so I have to brake a lot, which is bringing my average down, but I don't really care about the average right now because we are sharing the trip. So
Oh, is it? I thought it's your treat.
what these guys are thinking of themselves. So the price ticket for going Bangalore from my hometown is 500 rupees and the tolls you are going to pay in car is 600 rupees. Everything is cheap in Pondicherry, bro.
Yeah, especially
Even the liquor.
Especially the liquor.
Yeah, especially the liquor. So I just found a really fast going Volkswagen Jetta. First I thought it's Cruise, but later I realized that it's Jetta. So think it's a 2011 Jetta. The taillights looks exactly like Cruise. Keep on going and going and going. We are finally stopping for some tea.
Food poison. Here we come.
The tea, Jai Baba coffee, tea coffee.